Well, greetings interwebs. Today we're doing a multicultural kind of meal. This is Japanese curry. It's a recipe I learned in Taiwan. It's actually very simple. I can't believe I stopped making it. I haven't made this in years. I used to make this all the time. Got some potatoes and some onions. We'll cut those up, set them aside, and we'll cut up the chicken. Then we'll cook the chicken in some of this stir-fry oil and let it simmer. And then once it gets pretty much done, add the water and add the curry. And then we'll add the vegetables as well. And I'm using frozen broccoli because fresh broccoli isn't around right now. I'm sure it probably is, but I didn't see any. I really like snow peas in this as well, but I didn't find any snow peas at the store. I guess there weren't any. Usually there's some in the frozen section, but not this time. Some people put carrots in it. Again, I personally don't like carrots, so I don't put carrots in mine. But you can do whatever you want because it's your meal. It's your taste buds. It's what you like. So, let's get going, shall we? And here are our ingredients for today. We've got 4 small, medium potatoes, 1 onion. So, whoops, let me turn that around for you. Some chicken breasts. Little stir-fry oil. It's really good. And here's the main ingredient. Curry, a Japanese style curry. It's a sweet curry. It's not all hot, spicy, and yellow. See, mild. And some broccoli and some bell peppers. Remember, this is the one I cut up the other day. So, let's get to preparing, shall we? I'm cutting the bell peppers and the onions kind of big instead of chopping them really fine like usual because we're going to cook them up with everything else. So we want them kind of big. You've had Chinese food before. You know how the vegetables are kind of big. That's what we're going for. Let me set the potatoes aside. Okay, that's all that cut up. Now as far as chicken, 1 big breast, no innuendos. Cut it kind of thin. Because I want to stir fry this kind of quickly. I don't have to sit and cook forever. You see how I'm cutting these thin little slices. Here, I'll bring it over here so you can see. These will fry up quickly. 1 chicken breast, cut nice and big. Get the pan ready, get to cooking, shall we? Okay, so our oil's getting nice and hot now. So, dump in the chicken. Oh yeah, hear that? My favorite for cooking Teflon pan. Had been spoon for a very long time. Okay, we'll turn the heat down some. The oil is good and hot, so I don't need to leave it on high. And so break up this chicken, some of it's sticking together, and make sure it's good and cooked on both sides. Because I cut it thin, it'll cook quickly. Okay, this chicken about done. I'll dump in the vegetables. Not the potatoes, just the vegetables. The potatoes we'll put in later with the water and the curry. We'll let these simmer for about 5 minutes and we're done. Come back, put in the rest of the ingredients and the water. It'll be about 7 cups, I'm sorry, 7's a full one, 3 cups of water. 6 to 7 cups would be for the full pack, and we'll eat half pack, so we'll make 3 cups of water. Stand by. So here's what we have so far. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, it's time to get going on the rest of the stuff. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. So, dump in the potatoes. Put in some broccoli. Now, I'm not measuring out the broccoli. I'm just arbitrarily putting in broccoli. You put in as much or as little as you like. I'm gonna put about half this bag because that kind of seems to suit the amount we have in here. And now I measured out 3 cups of water. H2O, Vasa, agua, or dihydrogen oxide. Now, secret ingredient, the curry. It comes in 2 packs. Take one of the packs, and I can sort out where the opening is. There it is. I'm going to crank the fire up all the way because I just dumped in frozen stuff and cold stuff. This is how the curry looks in the little package. It's brown. It's not yellow like spicy Indian curry. This is sweet brown curry. It's very different. We want to submerge this into the water. Get all the way down in the water. There we go. Cover it back up for a little bit. Let it get hot again until it starts boiling. Then I can mix it. And we'll let it cook for about 5 more minutes. And we'll see where we are from there. It'll thicken as it cooks more and the water cooks down. But for now, we just gotta wait for it to break up and wait for the water to get good and hot again. So, stand by again. Okay, the blocks have melted down into the water. All that's left now is just let them cook and let them simmer down. I am going to leave the lid off now so the water can evaporate. It'll, as it boils down, it'll thicken into a sauce. So we'll check back in another 5 minutes. Another thing to remember is there's potatoes in here. They're going to sit and cook for a while to soften up. So I'm going to turn this back down to low. Put the lid back on and just let it simmer. The curry is nice and thick. It's thickening nicely now. Now we're just going to wait for the potatoes to get done. By the time the rice is done, this should be about ready. Here, look at that. See how the sauce is going nice and thick? Just let it continue to sit and cook until the potatoes all get nice and soft. And then, you look, they're already starting to fall apart. They're not too far from done. We got a little bit of time left on the microwave. And when it's done, that should be done. And then, we serve it up. Yeah. Our big delicious pot of sweet curry. Yeah, it's really nice and thick now. You stand back, the steam will quit getting all in my face. Holy moly. Woo! That's a lot of steam. Now, nothing left to do. plate. Nice big spoon. Got some rice. Try to make it a nice flat bed of rice so it'll look presentable for the picture. Pour some curry on it. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Sweet curry with potatoes and broccoli, green peppers and onions, chicken, sitting on a bed of rice. And steam to go right in my face. This, like I said, I used to make this all the time when my sons were little. I don't know why I quit. Yeah, I don't know why I quit. Holy moly, it's delicious. I gotta start making this again. Who knows? Maybe I'll find a nice Indian lady or it's Japanese. A Japanese lady that likes it. Who knows? So there we have our delicious sweet Japanese curry over a bed of rice. It's very filling, very, I guess, healthy. And you saw it really was not difficult to make. And of course, rice, we've all learned by now, is the simplest thing in the world to make. So there you have it. A quick and easy meal that'll make everybody happy. Enjoy. Since I just got home from work, I haven't eaten yet, I'm going to cut this short because I'm starving. So on that happy note, be seeing you.